So, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's biggest flagship shakeup in years. We're talking about ditching the boxy design we all know and love, or love to hate, for a complete aesthetic overhaul. But that's not all. A massive leak about the upcoming One UI 8.5 update confirms Samsung is finally going head-to-head with Apple in one area they've dominated: pro-grade mobile video. We've got details on the redesigned S Pen and a game-changing new camera feature that could turn your Ultra into a genuine cinema camera. Let's dive in. First up is the hardware. For years, the Galaxy S Ultra phones have channeled the classic note: sharp, angular, and boxy. But the S26 Ultra is reportedly embracing a flowy, curved design that aligns more with the regular Galaxy S series. This is a big move toward better in-hand comfort, but it means saying goodbye to that distinct industrial look. This design shift has a direct impact on the S Pen. While rumors about a thinner profile potentially killing the S Pen were swirling, especially after Samsung removed the Bluetooth features this year and dropped support from the Z Fold 7, it looks like the S Pen is safe for the S26 Ultra. The catch? It's getting a subtle but necessary redesign. To fit snugly into the curvier body, that exposed end of the S Pen will have to be redesigned to complement the phone's new, rounder edges. It's a cosmetic change to ensure the stylus feels integrated with the new aesthetic. The bad news? The return of those Bluetooth Air actions is still highly unlikely, but at least the pen is here to stay. Now, let's talk software and a massive camera upgrade coming with One UI 8.5, which will debut on the S26 Ultra early next year. Samsung introduced log video with the S25 series, giving creators raw, flat footage for professional color grading. But you still needed to take it to a computer to do any real editing. That is about to change. Leaks suggest Samsung is integrating lookup table, or LUT profiles, directly into the stock video editor. This is a clear shot across the bow at Apple and their mobile videography dominance. The leak shows 5 built-in LUT styles: standard, blockbuster, coming of age, romance, and thriller. If you shoot a flat, washed-out log video, you'll be able to tap one of these profiles and instantly apply a rich, cinematic color grade like a filter on steroids. This is huge. It dramatically simplifies the professional workflow. You can select your style with a real-time preview, giving you high-quality, final-looking cinematic video right on your phone. The blockbuster and standard profiles seem to give you those high-saturation, punchy tones, while the others offer more natural, mood-driven cinematic looks. It's a major upgrade that finally gives creators the tools they need to make the S Ultra a true mobile video machine. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just a hardware refresh, it's a massive identity shift. We're moving from the sharp, workhorse note aesthetic to a softer, more ergonomic design, and at the same time, we're seeing the software side step up with professional video features that are truly competitive. This combination of a redesigned, flowy body with an integrated S Pen and these incredible log LUTs in One UI 8.5 makes the S26 Ultra one of the most exciting flagships in years. What do you think about the new curves or the new camera editing power? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next big leak. Thanks for watching.